Hey, welcome back, RoboMasters! After the robotic arm and gripper are mounted and installed, you can tap Solo and then enter the FPV page. Tap the robotic arm icon shown on the right side of the screen, and then the virtual control sticks of the robotic arm and gripper will appear. Use the left virtual control stick of the robotic arm to make it move forward and backward. Use the right virtual control stick to make it move up or down. Use the virtual control stick of the gripper shown on the bottom right of the screen to open or close the gripper. You can also go to Lab and DIY Programming and use the blocks in the extension module for programming. For more details, please refer to the programming guide. Thanks, RoboMaster! Hit the like button if you thought this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thanks for watching!